Better camera angle. Is it? I don't know. Room's a bit messy. Hello, I'm back. Today I have a few things I need to do. I need to do some assessments for school. And I decided this morning that I kind of want to do a sale for Archaic Designs because I only have a few rings left and I kind of just want to get rid of them and then just make some brand new ones and put them on the website. So yeah, so I thought I'd try out this double camera thing. I have my iPad here, which is what I study on, and then you guys on my phone. So if I'm any good at editing, I'm gonna try and put 2 screens in the YouTube video. Anyway, so I am going to make a Canva post, which I should be screen recording. Or maybe I should do a voiceover. I don't know if I can be bothered videoing whilst doing this. Yeah, okay, maybe I will. Okay, bye then. So as you can see, I actually gave up talking, so yeah, enjoy this clip of me on Canva creating my sales post. I pretty much just use the method I always use, which is using the same colours that I have in my pictures, so it kind of matches my theme. And yeah, enjoy. You just saw that I made my sales post for Archaic Designs, so I'm going to schedule it to go on the website tonight through my business Facebook manager thing. And then I think I might just pop a promotion on it, or an ad, so that it'll reach some more people, maybe gain some more followers. We'll see how it goes, because sometimes it's a hit and miss. Sometimes I don't get any traction on them, sometimes I do. It really depends. Hi, so I thought that I was doing the whole 2 screen thing, but obviously I didn't end up doing that, so here I am voiceovering. This is just a Facebook business suite where you can put lots of posts up to put on your Facebook and your Instagram, and you can schedule them so you can just have them to go, you don't have to manually do them. So this is what I use. So now that I've done all my sales posts and put it, scheduled it up to be put on my Instagram and Facebook tonight for Archaic Designs, I need to actually set up the sale on Shopify. Otherwise that wouldn't be too good, setting up a sale and there being no sale. So I need to do that before I forget. So I'm screen recording it so you can see. You have to go into discounts, and then I'm just going to make it an automatic discount to their checkout, because otherwise people will be like, there's no sale, it didn't come through. It's just easier that way. Right, so I'm going big. I'm doing 40% off the whole website, because why not? I'm nice. All products. Well, I don't want them on my gift cards, but I'll do it on everything else. I don't know. Honestly, I don't actually have that much stock left, to be fair. I think I literally have 12 rings left on the website. So hopefully they will get used. schedule that for 5:30. And I'm not going to send it in date. So can I save it? What do I show? Clearance sale. Clearance. I can't spell. Oh my gosh. I actually think I'm dyslexic at this point. I always like write words, but I put the letters around the wrong way, which makes me think that I'm dyslexic. But I can read, so I don't know how that works. Anyway, okay, cool. So you'll see it on the screen recording. So I have 19 products on the website, and 14% off everything apart from my gift cards, because there's not necessarily well, it is a product, but yeah, whatever. But yeah, and I'm just going through and expiring one of my discount codes because I didn't realize it was still active. So let's just AM, just do 11 AM. What's the time now? 20 minutes to 11. Okay, save. Right, okay. And I've had no sales today. I actually haven't had any all week. Just kind of sad. But I'm not surprised by that because I haven't brought any new stock out at all since before Christmas. So honestly, the fact that I've had sales is quite impressive, because usually people get bored and they're like, I want to see some new stock. I don't want to keep looking at the same rings, which is fair enough. I'm definitely the same when it comes to shopping. Yeah, I kind of need to start doing my assessment, so I will get on with that. Before I do that, I have been playing around with new methods of making actual rings, and I made these two yesterday. They're just clay rings, so they're made out of clay, and then you fire them with like a blowtorch or however you want to. You could do it in a kiln, and it turns into copper. These are the second ones I've made. Honestly, they were kind of frustrating to make, but I'm just learning how to make them at the moment, because I'm trying to find out the best method for me to make rings and like make different styles for them. So I'm just waiting for them to dry, and then I'm going to fire them and they'll turn into copper. I do have one over on my desk. Well, I'm at my desk, but my bedside, which I will grab so you can see it. Honestly, it gets dirty really quickly. Like, I polished this, I only made it on the weekend, maybe like 4 or 5 days ago, and it's already really dirty. I mean, it's copper, I guess that's why. But it's just like a little chunky ring. I won't actually be making my rings out of copper because they kind of oxidize and make your finger go green, which I didn't realize the other day when I was doing. I was like, why the hell's my finger green? And I realized it's because of the ring, which is kind of annoying. But just to learn how to make them is kind of cool. So it comes from this clay, copper clay, and then you fire it and it turns into copper metal, and it's pretty cool. I don't know the exact science behind it, but it's really cool. And then I tried to do a twisted one, so we'll see what that turns out like. But yeah, I'm excited to see how that one turns out. It doesn't actually fit me, but that's okay. It can be a pinky ring. So I'm just waiting for those to dry so I can fire them, and then I'll show you guys. Maybe I'll make a TikTok about it, how I fire my rings. I don't know.
Come make copper rings with me. Firing the rings. Cleaning them off. polishing them. Final results.
What was I saying I was doing? A school assessment. Yes. That is what I was doing. Let's get on to that.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep.
Hello, Future Charlotte here. Just editing the video, and it's way longer than I thought it was going to be, so I'm going to split them up into 2 videos, and the next video that you'll see after the one you're watching now, which is this one, will be about the sale and how it went. So I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to leave a comment, like and subscribe. Bye.